Hi, me again. I say, thank Pythagoras, Greek deity of math, we finally got a short one today. Getting sick of the sound of my own voice. I can't even use my own voice. And Pythagoras isn't a Greek deity slash god of math. He's just an old dude from way back who was really good at math, but he was real. You'll learn about him later. Or sooner. I don't know. A squared B squared equals C squared. Trust me, it works. Moving on. Wait, didn't we do this yesterday? Finding the volume of a rectangular prism composite solids. This is going to blow your mind. Okay, so I'm going to explain the whole lesson right now. So the other day when we did surface area, which was literally the skills, like a surface area problem is find the area of these 6 different connected faces and then just add them up. You know how to do area. You know how to add. You're just putting those skills together. Okay, this is going to be the same thing. Find the volume of this prism, and then find the volume of the prism sitting right next to it, and then add them together. You think you got it? Good, I can just stop now and we're out of here. No? You want me to continue? Okay, it's my pleasure. But I told you I taught the lesson already. Because I can find the volume of a solid figure composed of 2 rectangular prisms. Oh, and then, hey, because it's math and focus, we're going to solve real-world problems in the volume of a composite solid. So I'm just going to assume that every one of these problems involves building 2- and 3-piece music risers for your classrooms. You're not, your music classes, little bumpy rectangles that go up and up and up, and your music teacher's like, oh, you guys gave me the worst room this year. I got to see if my risers fit. Or I can't get those in here. This is not a space suitable for making music. It's late at night. This is called a tangent, which is also a math term that you'll get to some other time. Okay, you're going to find the volume of a solid figure composed of 2 rectangular prisms. You're literally going to find the volume of the yellow one and then the orange one, and then you're going to add them up. Here's a hint. They're both 3 centimeters wide. So 5 times 4 times 3 is 60. 5 times 3 times 2 is 30. That's going to give us a total volume of 90. At least I hope it does. Otherwise, I shall look. Foolishness is amplified by how smug you are beforehand. I'm kind of smug right now. Wait a minute. But I should be smug. Because that's... Volume of that's 90. Nope, volume of that's 60. Volume of that is 30. Volume of that is 90. You could pause and read this, but I told you. You know what it is. All right. Now they're going to make you do this yourself. But you can do it. I have nothing but complete faith in all you people that I've never met in my life. But just know, I know that you can rock the house. All right. Find the volume of the green. I'll race you. I'll give you a head start. Go. Oh, Hanson, you need to get out of the way here. You're blocking our learning down there. I should put you up. Oh, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to head you right into the camera. See, even when I'm looking at myself. Oh, yeah, that's a good trick. Now you think I'm looking at you. All right. It's 9 by 8 by 10. 72 times 10 is 720. This is 16 by 8, which is 2. It's going to be 128 times 5. I don't want to do that. I'm going to do 16 times 5 is 80 times 8 is 640. Doesn't matter what order you do it in. I did 16 times 5 because I knew 16 times 5 would be 80, and then easy to multiply by 8. I also, so again, just kind of how my brain works. Lots of ways to solve the same problem. 720, 640. I don't even know why I did that because it is 1,360. Huzzah! Shall we continue on our mathematical journey together? Our journey of discovery. All right, good deal. Our discovery that we're literally just doing skills that we've already done before and combining them. Okay, good. Except I don't have the skill to click the mouse button that I want. Whatevs, don't make fun. Oh, I got a little bit tricky with you on this one. All right, give you a 5-second head start. Go.
You can pause me too if you want to cheat. That's fine. Hope you can sleep at night. Oh, 5 seconds. Okay. 15 times 4 and 5 times 2 times 12. I am going to do that 15 times 4 is 60 times 7 is 420. Commutative property multiplication doesn't matter what order you multiply in. You get the same answer every time. So I'm looking for stuff like I know if the 15 times 4 gives me 60, then it gives me my second step much easier. Okay? And then here I'll just go in order because 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 12 is 120, plus 420 is 540 centimeters cubed. Okay? So please notice that these had two completely different widths. Really, the center of gravity on this thing is going to be way out on the other side. There's the way it should stand. I call foul. Shenanigans, I say. Shenanigans. Oh, puppy stairs. They can say it's puppy stairs all they want. It sure looks like a music riser to me. Except it's brown. Music risers are colorful. Fun. All right, find the volume. I'll pause me, you pause me. Go. All right, this is going to get fun because the battery in my tablet just died. My little drawing tool. So I should have clarified this. And I'm hoping your teachers would agree. If not, they can send me an angry email, especially if this is years in the future and I'm retired and won't get it in the first place. But you can use your calculator on these. We've tested you on how to multiply. We expect you should know your long multiplication at this point. Here, I want to see you doing the steps and the procedures, which is finding the volume of one, finding the volume of the other, and then adding them up. You get your total. And it's inches with a little 3. And use your imagination. Again, I'm like dead battery. Don't judge. Don't look at me with those judgy eyes. All right, let's continue. Did I get it? Oh, I got it right. I was like second guessing myself. I was freaking out. 2862, 2862. And that's exactly what we get. Again, go ahead and calculate because we're testing the skill, not the computation right now. We're not testing, but teaching, evaluating, encouraging. Okay, here's 2 rectangles. Find the total volume of the frame. I want you to notice that the way it's kind of set up is that's one of the prisms and that's the other one of the prism, and that plus sign's in between. I'm going to pause so I can punch in some numbers. It's going to be a little bit clumsy for me. Oh, no, it's not. I'm just going to go. And then you can do the mathematicking. Okay, let's do the headboard, which would be 35 by, not 3, 5 by 28, and 80 by 35 by 6. Ooh, I think I can do that one in my head. 35 by 6 is, 35 times 2 is 70, and 3 of those is going to be 210. And calculator. Again, it's late. My brain's running out. Let me pause it and punch some numbers. All right, we're back in business here. I ended up with 21,700. Why didn't that type? Okay. One of them was 4,900, and the other one was whatever 21,700 is minus 4,900. That's 1760. Oh, 16,800. It's still in my calculator. Hey, let's practice. I like to label my shapes too. This one's going to be 7 times 6 times 9 on the top. 7 times 6 times 9 is 378, because why would we use small numbers when we're trying to teach a skill? And then, thank you on the bottom one. 4 times 15 is 60 times 9 is 540. Add them up. 540, 840, it's 78. Oh, I'm fading, friends. Don't judge. I'm just a people too. And you guys don't believe it. Oh, you're not a people. You're a teacher, but I'm a people too. I live, I breathe, I have feelings. All right, 918 inches cubed. I'm a people, man. Oh my gosh, I'm up to 10 minutes on this one. That's okay. This is on hand. I'm not even messing around that much, am I? Okay. I'm gonna do 9 times 6 is 54 times 20. 54 times 2 is 108 times 10 more is 1080. No, I really need my pen back. And then I've got 8 times 16 times 20. 8 times 16, 8 times 8 is 64. Another 8 of those, another 64. 128 times 20 is 256, or plus 2,560. Don't get on me about place value or the location of my plus sign. 1,080 plus 2,800, 2,560. 3,640 cubic meters. Oh my gosh, whatever that is, that's huge. Meters, oops. Imagine the 3 is elevated and really small. Work with me. Work with me. Oi! An iron girder is composed of 2 rectangular prisms. Find the volume of the girder. As someone who's built things, I've got protests on this, but it is what it is. Your 2 number models are going to be 6 times 6 times, what is it? 72. And you'll add that, see that 10? It's hiding here. Sorry about that. There's a 10 down there. 8 times 10 times 72. I'm going to pause and use my calculator, which is what you should be doing too. All right, friends, is that where we landed? Those are the number models. I added the 2 sums up. I'm starting to get self-conscious about my little smugness at the beginning. Remember, I was like, hey, just taught you the lesson, and we're like 12 minutes into this, and it's only been a dozen slides. I don't get it. I'm going to go back and watch them. No, I know what it is. It's the rambling. Next. That's the end of what I'm going to do in that lesson, though. This is problem solving. You don't need me for this. This is your job. I got enough problems. This isn't one. This is your problem. Deal. Problem of the lesson. Guess what? This is your problem too. What? It is. Do your best on that, and hopefully you get to discuss it in class, or just kind of ponder it over dinner with your family. And your homework is likely going to be good, just 4 pages, and then some Excel work, and then starting to wrap your head around having a test. And I'm going to wrap my head around how I got this lesson up to 13 minutes, but not so much where I'm going to re-record it. This is what you're stuck with. And to all you future people, you're stuck with it too. Okay, that's it. I'll see you for, I think, a review or something. I don't know how much more I'm going to do. I got to double check. Have a lovely day, evening, night, or, again, whatever it's called in the future. Bye.